Looking for a home that's walking distance to downtown Fuquay, just in time for the weekend farmers markets, and follow me to Fuquay-Varina Concert Series. I'm Devin Curlings with the Coley Group of Compass, and welcome to my newest listing that's less than a mile from downtown Fuquay. This ranch-style charmer is nestled on a quarter-acre lot with a darling front porch that welcomes you into a split-style plan where the center of the home is the place to gather in your vaulted living room. Your kitchen is open yet separate, allowing space for entertaining while also having defined rooms. The front room could act as a formal dining room or an office space that we all need. Past the kitchen, you'll discover your vaulted primary filled with natural light. The primary bath offers dual sinks, a walk-in shower, and oversized walk-in closet. Down the hall, you'll find two perfect-sized bedrooms and a full bath. Step out to the back deck to enjoy the spacious, fenced-in backyard. With walkability to restaurants, breweries, parks, and the best that Fuquay has to offer, this one will not last long. For more information on this home, give the Coley Group a call today.